Good morning, friends. Now we are seeing processing two jobs through m number of machines in module 5. That is sequencing problems of operation research. Now there will be only two jobs here, 1 and 2. So it has job number 1 has to follow the sequence of A, B, C, D and E. So the processing times are given here. Job 2, another job is maybe it is in the same order of A, B, C, D, E, or if it is different nature job. So now it is having the sequence of B, C, A, D, E. So this particular job number has to enter first machine B, then it has to enter machine C, then A, then D, and finally to E. And their processing times are given here. So use graphical method to obtain the total minimum elapsed time. So here we are taking x-axis and y-axis. So here the summation of these times on job 1. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. So it is 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9 plus 6 15 plus 2 17. So we need minimum 17 divisions on x-axis. So marking up to 20. So then job number 2, it is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 6 20. So 20 divisions are required on y-axis for job 2. So minimum 17 divisions on x-axis and 20 divisions on y-axis. So making 20 and 20 on both the axes. Now mark the processing times of job 1 and job 2 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. In the sense, okay, taking a job 1. So the sequence is A. Processing time is 3. So here I am marking as a light line here on the third division. So which is getting processed on machine A. So 1, 2, 3 on third division, marking the lighter line. So then after coming out of A, it has to enter machine B. So from third, then 3 plus 4 7 till 7th division. So from 3 4 5 6 7. So on 7th division I am drawing one vertical line, a lighter line on the 7th division. Then 7 plus 2, it is 9. So on the 9th division, drawing one vertical line lighter. So then 9 plus 6, 15. So on the 15th division, drawing again a vertical line, thin vertical line. Then 15 plus 2, 17. So on 17th line, 17th division, drawing one vertical line. All these lines drawn will be thin in the beginning. So then that is marked on x-axis. Coming to y-axis now, right? So the sequence is first it will get processed on machine B for 5 hours. So on the 5th division, so I am marking a horizontal line, thin horizontal line, which is processed on machine B here. Then it will enter machine C. So 5 plus 4, 9. So on the 9th division, drawing one horizontal line here, occupied on machine C. Then 9 plus 3, 12. So on the 12th division, 10, 11, 12. So 12th division, drawing one thin horizontal line. So then 12 plus 2, 14. So on 14th division, drawing one horizontal line. Then 14 plus 6, 20. So on 20th division, drawing one thin horizontal line. So now the vertical lines are intersecting the horizontal lines. Now, okay. So on x-axis, job 1 is occupied on machine A here. On y-axis, so job 2 is occupied on y-axis here. So block that particular part. So this particular part is reserved for machine A. Similarly, on x-axis B is here, on y-axis B is here. So highlight this region. So this is occupied. So for machine B. Similarly, here machine C on x-axis here and machine C on y-axis here. So this part is occupied for machine C. Similarly, D and E are occupied. That means if one job is getting processed on this particular block, so another job cannot be processed simultaneously. So A, B, C, D and E. So draw the rectangular blocks by pairing the same machines on x-axis and y-axis. Now the origin is here. That means beginning of the project is at 0, 0. The last vertical line is here and the last horizontal line here. Both are intersecting at this finishing. So I have to start my journey right from the beginning 0 here and I have to reach this finishing point. Either I may move horizontally or move vertically or at some inclination to reach this finishing point. If I move horizontally, that indicates the progress of job 1 alone. There is no progress of job 2. If I move in vertical direction alone, so that indicates the progress of job 2. There is no progress of job 1. If we move at 45 degrees, so that means there is equal progress of job 1 and job 2. So keep the protractor at 0 and draw a inclined line of 45 degree. So that is intersecting my block B at this point. I cannot enter this line inside the block. That indicates that both the jobs cannot be done simultaneously. So if I extend the line inside the block, so that shows that both the jobs are processed simultaneously on the particular machine B. That is practically not possible. So stop here. Then the chance is to move vertically upwards. So from this point, I go vertically upwards till this point. So here I can draw an inclined line at 45 degree. So that can be stopped here, or you can extend till this point and you can move horizontally like this, and from here draw 45 degree and then go vertically to reach this finishing point. So that is path 1, right? Or you can, instead of extending till this point, you stop here, go vertically and then draw 45 degree line and then move horizontally. So from here 0 to till this point the journey is common. So then from here either go vertically and then at 45 degree line and then move horizontally, or go horizontally, go at 45 degree, then reach the finishing point. So there will be two paths. Thank you, friends.